Hi guys! Today I'm filming a cooking with me video. It is currently literally like 4 a.m. But I have nothing too better to do with my life. I do have school at like 11, but I'm hungry, so we're actually gonna do this first. Joy to the world! One of my friends told me that my videos are very unscripted. And you know what? That's kind of the joy of it. I don't want my videos to be super scripted. I know what I'm gonna do. I know what I'm gonna say, kind of, but I don't need a script kind of thing. So, anyways, I'm really thirsty. Just let me grab some water real quick. But hi guys, how are y'all? Hope y'all are doing well. Today is, I believe, October the 17th. I believe. It has to be October the 17th. Where's my bottle of water? Oh, it's right here. Literally, I want to literally try to make this video at least under 15 minutes. So, I'm gonna have to cook faster. Does this lighting look cuter, or should I have it like this? Because I kind of like having it like this. No, this is cooler. This is cuter. I kind of like having it like this. I'm actually not making like normal ramen where you pour it in like a little cup and you with the water. No, we're making it stir fried today. I would like to say that it's my recipe, but it's basically like my recipe, but I got the recipe from TikTok and I'm adding my own stuff to it, you know what I mean? So first things first, we're gonna boil the noodles. Next, we're gonna I should really grab my ingredients first. Let me go grab all the ingredients first. I got all the ingredients that I need to make this. So first, we need butter. Next is soy sauce. Next, we're gonna need sriracha, brown sugar, minced garlic. You could mince up your own garlic, but I'm lazy. Balsamic vinegar.
That's a big word for Elmo.
But very little balsamic vinegar. I'm also eyeballing everything. I never measure, which is usually my downfall. But you know what? Not today. Not today. No, no, no. First, we're gonna heat up the pan. And then we're gonna take the butter. You probably don't need that much butter. You probably need not even half a stick. You probably need 2 tablespoons. Where's my knives? This is overkill, but I remember I used to work for that experience was something, let me tell you. You can't really see it. I wish you could see it. You know what? That works. I'll take it. Ooh. There, your minced garlic. And you're gonna put some in there. Guys, I promise I'm a good cook. Then we're gonna take some soy sauce. The soy sauce is next, and you're just gonna stir it. That. You're gonna have to keep stirring most of the time. You're gonna have to keep stirring this. And you just kind of let it simmer at very low heats. Okay. Take some balsamic vinegar. Very little, not too much. There you go. Yeah, that's good enough. And just stir. You're just gonna keep stirring that. Stir, stir, stir. This should not take too long. Next is our brown sugar. I kind of like a lot of brown sugar, probably that much. And stir, 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 stir. Ooh. It's starting to get thicker. Oh my god, it's starting to get thicker. But you can't have it too thick, so you gotta, even though we like thick here. Tell me now. But you can't have it too thick, so you kind of have to grab some of the noodle water and just maybe a little bit more noodle water. There you go. Next, if you don't have to do this, but I like a little bit of spicy, so I like to put a little bit of sriracha in that. And It's really bubbly. Okay, after that, pretty much, you can throw in the rest of the spices. So, like, everything that's pretty much here. Like, I'm gonna throw in the seasoning oil and then the seasoning powder. But I'm gonna throw in the seasoning oil first. Guys, it's like really thick. Like, really thick. Okay. There we go. After that, we can like lower it down a little bit more. And we're gonna have to drain the noodles. I'm gonna drain the noodles off camera because I'm not gonna move you. Not gonna lie, I let the noodles boil like a lot, so it's probably gonna be cooked a lot, but you know, so there. Dump the noodles on there and then crank up the heat a little bit more and then just stir. And stir it around. You can pretty much add the rest of the seasoning. So whatever this is, it came in my pack. Throw that in there, and then my seasoning powder. Ooh. Give it a stir. I'm just gonna pour a little bit of powders. Yes, I was that dumb. I couldn't figure out how to take off the f***ing tab off the garlic powder. All I literally needed to do was to push it out through the top. This was not one of my proudest moments. I'm so sorry, guys. Yeah, that's good for now. And we're almost done, guys. Just almost done. And now you can cut the heat, let it, you know, do its thing. This is where I like let it cook for just a little bit longer while I clean up. Ooh, that looks really good, guys. I would then crack an egg and pretty much garnish it with other things, but I'm feeling lazy today. So this is good enough for me. There, now that it's like cooked and it's like not as liquidy anymore, you can then grab a bowl or a plate. I usually like bowls. Just like that, guys. Okay, now that that's that, here is our beautiful ramen. Here, take a shot. Whoa, that's a really nice shot, guys. Okay. Okay. Now, pretty much that's the video, guys. I low-key don't have an outro. Oh, I should try it first, right? I should try it. Okay, hold on. It's hot, sorry. Pretty good. Thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube video today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment, and please don't forget to turn on the post notifications and tell your friend to subscribe to me. If you don't, I'll but anyways, thank you guys so much. Y'all have an amazing night. Thank you so much for watching Cooking with Tan. Please be careful when you're cooking, because I wasn't, but you know, thank you guys so much. Y'all have a good night. Bye bye.